to Roblox, and we're finishing Escape the iPhone obby, if I can ever get past this stage. You remember Super Nessa? Everybody, all the lucky players who were here before when I recorded first, are still here. I came back, I decided, well, might as well finish it. We're almost done. So yeah. What is this? Cheese? Is this cheese? This is cheese! Oh my gosh. Give me a second. Alright. Jumping on tetchies, wedges, the tees. Oh yeah, see? Walk across the phone charger to get two more fun obstacles. I'm gonna pause this and then go there and see you guys. Almost there. Almost there. Yay, we made it. Alright. What is this? What are these? These are jellies. They're pink flat jellyfish is what I'm gonna call them. Okay, so we're jumping on butterscotch, open butterscotch candy wrappers. Cool. Yum, 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 yum. I fell off the licorice. Why am I saying everything is candy? I don't know. I just like it. I changed my voice. Again. So the rest of the video, you guys are gonna just hear this. Okay? I have a lot of voices. What the heck? Oh, I died! Me and Super Nessa are on the same stage! Ow. Take that, Super Nessa! That's what you get for pushing me off! Jump! And jump! Jump again! Don't you dare copy my strategy, you punk! Super Nessa, Super Nessa. Super Nessa, Super Nessa, Super Nessa. Haha, you died. You died. Hello. Oh no, it's one of these. I hate these. Climb up the tree. Hopefully this is the last stage so we can have some fun. Trying to make her lose. I want to have some fun. I want to try to make Super Nessa pay for what she did. You guys might think, no, that's a bit harsh. But, you know what? Super Nessa deserved it. She keeps pushing me off. But she didn't that time. I don't blame her. No, I hate trees. Especially these ones. Super Nessa left. Oh. Yeah, now you have to start over, you punk. You punk! I hate these trees. La 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 la. La, 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 la. If I fall off, I will be so mad. You don't even want to know. Yay! We won! We won, everyone! We won, everyone! Yay! Alright. Let's go cause some mischief. Making people fail is fun. No, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at the phone that we escaped. Should be high enough. Nope. Whoa, that's amazing! Can you land on it? I don't think so. But just look at that! Look at the accuracy! Look! There's phone, mail, Safari, music, settings, compass, newsstand, iTunes store, app store, passbook, stocks. Oh my gosh! Look how accurate this is! Too bad you can't land on it. Okay, where is everyone? Where is everyone? Alright, let's cause some mischief. Let's cause some mischief. Mischief is fun. Hallelujah. Try and jump here now. You're going to be my victim instead of that girl, like Super Nessa. Because you look like her, and that's why. So help me, because I'm going to cause you to fall. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah? You think you're gonna get past this? Oh yeah. No. Better jump back up, up, up. Better jump back up. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Ha! I made her fall. Okay, that's enough being mean for today, guys. Let's just have fun. Let's explore. Let's explore the magical world of it. So we're gonna use this magic carpet that just broke on me. Okay guys, that's enough for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!